Yesterday, Invictus Energy released the fluid composition analysis from the Mukuyu-2 well from our recently completed drilling campaign. The fluid analysis reveals that we have a high-quality natural gas with minimal impurities and less than 2% CO2, along with associated condensate, which is a form of light oil with a yield of around 14 to 22 barrels per million standard cubic feet, and a condensate API gravity of 50 to 60. So condensate, which is produced along with the natural gas, is a form of light oil, and it has many uses, primarily in the form of feedstock for petrol and diesel, as well as petrochemicals. So a very high value byproduct that we get along with the gas. In addition to that, the gas, because of its high quality and minimal impurities, will need very little processing in order to prepare it for sale to customers. So very pleasing from that perspective, and also the results have lined up with the geological modelling to date that we have across the basin. So we have more dry gas in the north of our licence area, and more liquids and light oil in the south of the licence area, which has been evident as well from the Mukuyu-1 result. And so that's again, very pleasing for the company. If you go to our website, you can read the announcement and see pictures of that condensate, which gets produced along with the natural gas. It's a light yellow liquid, which is, as I mentioned, a form of light oil. At the moment, we are preparing a range of activities. We're in the design phase, and a lot going on in the background with preparations for a flow test for Mukuyu-2 that will provide us information on the well deliverability, as well as potential connected volumes to that well, assist us with future phasing and planning of those wells in conjunction with a 3D survey over the Mukuyu field, which will help us delineate the subsurface in more detail. At the moment, it's only mapped on 2D data, and 3D data will result in a much greater improvement and understanding of what's going on in the subsurface, and also help us plan our locations for our future wells and concentrate on areas of the field for the fast-track development that we're planning in the future.